The year 2020 has brought about a rapidly changing world of business, with increasing demands on our employees. These pressures and changes take a toll on mental health, physical well-being, but also on performance agility and performance. The path back to recovery requires mental tough leaders and teams capable of doing the much needed heavy lifting to rebuild sales pipelines, reactivate operations, and find business confidence. So what about after COVID-19? Are our leaders and the people capable of keeping up and executing the rebuild required? Can leaders find the confidence to make decisions quickly, successfully navigating between appropriate levels of risk and reward? Are teams capable of maintaining high levels of engagement and quality execution despite the rapidly changing environment and financial pressures? Will the sheer volume of work to be done cause some levels of anxiety in individuals, holding them back from being able to work at their full potential? What we're likely to witness is that the single biggest limiting factor for organisational recovery is leaders and their team's ability to mentally and physically keep up and continually deliver round after round of rebuilding internally and externally. The business case for development of mental toughness has never been stronger. Mental toughness is the activating ingredient in human performance, a role widely recognised by performance psychiatrists worldwide.